We know how pandemic COVID-19 caused devastation all over. Many families were affected and left in a miserable condition. One of them is Umesh Thite family. Umesh Thite was living in Pune in his own house with his wife, Ratan, and two children, a son 16-year-old Siddesh and a 14-year-old daughter Devika.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव रत्ना उमेश थिटे. हा माझा मुलगा सिद्धेश उमेश थिटे.
Umesh had his own van and ferried school children. The family was happy and content. Unfortunately, Umesh and Ratan both tested positive for COVID-19. Ratan recovered, but Umesh could not be saved and he succumbed. Distraught Ratan was left with the responsibility of raising her two children. Later, Ratan, who was bold and dashing, learned driving and started running the van to ferry school children.
माझे मिस्टर म्हणजे त्याच्या आधी चांगलं होतं, व्यवस्थित होतं आमचं, पण गेल्यानंतर मी असं हे केलं की मी आता इथून पुढे कसं घर चालवणार ह्या हिशोबाने मी ती स्कूल व्हॅन शिकले.
Her children, apart from being good at studies, were cooperative and helping her at home. Though the government helped her through the PM COVID fund, it was not sufficient. And at one time, she did not have money to pay even the school fees that were due. And the school was strict and said they would not allow her son to sit for the exam.
आणि शाळेने तर रुपयाही आम्हाला माफ केला नाही. मी खूप म्हणजे रडले तिथं अक्षरशः जाऊन की असं माझ्या मिस्टरांचं झालंय, मग तुम्ही थोडंफार तरी हे केलं पाहिजे ना. पण नाही, त्यांनी 1 रुपया सुद्धा आम्हाला माफ केला नाही.
Sathi, in collaboration with Bajaj Finserv, came to her aid. Sathi team paid the school fees of her son, got school bags, stationery and uniforms for children, and they also provided grocery kits.
त्याच्यानंतर हा नववीतच होता ना रे तो, तेव्हा 7,000 रुपये मदत केली आम्हाला साथी संस्थेने. आता 10वीत गेल्याने आम्हाला 10,000ची मदत झाली साथी संस्थेकडून. म्हणून
Ratan and her children thanked Sathi team and expressed their gratitude.
बजाज आणि साथी संस्थेने खूप म्हणजे आम्हाला मदत केली. ह्याच्यासाठी मी साथी संस्थेचे खूप खूप मनापासून आभार मानते.